Welcome back, people. We got another video. This is with the SameBike L026 version 2. We did have the L026. Now this is the L026 version 2, should I say. Today, a battery upgrade. I feel like it's needed. My other battery that I had on the SameBike L026 was actually pretty good. On the L026, yeah, on this version 2, I don't know why. I'm getting okay range on the original stock battery, around about 20-ish miles, but I could definitely do more than that. So here we have a new battery, upgraded charger, so I don't have to wait ages. And the good thing is about this is that I am gonna be able to charge faster. 3 amp charger, that's what I have ordered, and I will leave in the description exactly where I bought this battery, and you can choose whether you want a 2 amp, a 3 amp, or even I think they do a 4 and a 5 amp charger as well, possibly. But yeah, they were really good actually. The processing time, they asked me to give them 1 or 2 days a bit more processing time. I gave them that. And then I think I got the battery in about 2-ish weeks, I guess, maybe, no, maybe a bit less than that, about 1.5 to 2 weeks. But this did come from a very far place, so I've already unpackaged it, I've already turned it on. I had to do that just to check that everything is good here, but I'm gonna pretend that I haven't done that and I'm gonna show you the charger and everything working as well. All right, so we get one of these that we can connect this up to our original one. Now I don't need to do that because the pins are exactly the same, so that's okay. But if you want to, I guess it is an option. If the pins on your bike are slightly different here from the converter, you could always just plug that in. Red and black pins, just bullet pins, so they're very easy. We've done many videos on the SameBike L026. We've upgraded the brakes to full hydraulic, we've upgraded the handlebars, I don't even know at this point, I've upgraded pedals, the rear air shock suspension, tires, tubes. I've done everything on this bike, and this is going to be an awesome little added extra. So we get a good old-fashioned type kettle lead, which is normally what you would get. Let's quickly undo that. Normally you get these type of thick cables like this when you only get that when you're charging, fast charging, should I say, rather than the standard charging. All right, so we have a look here. So this is the specs. Up to 54.6 volts, as you can see, that's highlighted in red there. And then the charger shows up as a 3 amp. So I could actually use this charger to charge the original stock battery, because that's only a 1 amp, or is that a 2 amp? Yeah, one of those. But anyway, at least this way we're going to charge a lot faster. So I like this one. It's got a built-in fan. Let's get in the shot. It's got a built-in fan, and we do have a fuse here, which I haven't actually looked at that, but I'm guessing that's if I can undo it. No, I can't undo it. Hold on. Oh, wow. That is insanely tight. Come on. Come on, Bubbles. No, I can't do it. Okay. Well, anyway, that's where the fuse goes. We got LED 1 and LED 2. Now, we don't have any instructions for the charger, but that's okay because I've used them before and I know how they work. So it is quite well packaged. As you can see, that foam is actually quite thick, to be honest. That's the bottom layer. Then you've got another bottom layer, sides, and then we have obviously the top packaging here that I took off. So we got the keys as well. We got 2 of those, which is always good to have 2 of them. All right, and then little handle on the top, like you normally do. So this is a 48 volt. This is running a 14 amp, whereas if the original battery is in the bike at the minute is a 10 amp, this is a 14 amp, which is going to help me get that bit more range. We will talk about that. I'll do a little test. I'll make a video on that future video of showing you of me going out and using that new battery and seeing how many miles we get. We definitely will be doing that. All right, so I'm going to get the charger. We're going to plug that into there like so. And of course, this could get a little bit hot, not insanely hot so it's going to burn your carpet. I wouldn't worry that much, but it will get warm, and of course it is going to make a noise as well. So we've got that there. Let's get a new battery here. And I always charge my battery in the bike, but for this video I'm going to do it obviously like this because I'm not yeah. So anyway, I plug that in. When I unplug it, the lead one is going to end up losing power. So when I plug this in, obviously that's telling me that I've connected it up. It's taken a short minute for that to die out. Is it going to... Okay, well, I haven't got it plugged in, but it's taken a long time for the light to go up. See how much brighter that got? They got really bright there. Okay, so I'm going to put the charger down, plug her in. And there you go, now we can hear. So let's have a look. So, I don't know if you can see the fan spinning because it's spinning. Sorry about that. It's spinning insanely fast. But we got the fan there, and we can see that both LED 1 and LED 2, both of those are lit up red. Now I know they do go green, so it's gonna have to wait until it goes green, I guess. And then on the back here, over where we've got the power lead that goes in, we can see that there, if I put my hand there like that, I can feel a bit of air pushing out. The same goes as in the front. I can feel here, I can feel air, and there I can feel air, so it's well ventilated, which of course, because this is a 3 amp charger, is going to be charging a lot quicker. So because it's charging a lot quicker, we need something that is going to be quite stable. So this charger, and obviously the battery itself, is not the typical lead acid battery that you can get, which are very heavy and die pretty quick. You can get a Life PO4 battery, which this again isn't for this one, but you know what, the Life PO4 batteries are pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie, I have had one before. They do work really well. Whereas if this one, it says LiPo MN204/LIC 002, and that's highlighted in red. So that's our selection for this charger. And then our volts, maximum voltage is 56.6. Now they don't just sell 14 amp batteries on this place. They do sell other batteries, more amp powers. They do sell better chargers. They do sell the standard, you know, like the stock battery, standard stock battery that you can get. They do sell those as well, which to be honest, they are reasonably priced, yeah. And this one, what did I pay for this? So this one in total, I think it was $252, and then I paid for faster shipping, which was 20 something odd pounds that I paid. So the total come to 284, I think it was, or 287. Yeah, something like that, 280 something. It wasn't no more than 290. So that's not bad. Although the original stock battery is getting me 20 miles on a 10 amp, this being a 14 amp, yeah, I really couldn't even tell you. I don't have no idea the range that I'm going to get with this battery, but as I said, is what I will do. You know, we've made all the upgrades that we've made on this SameBike L026 version 2. We made a lot of upgrades on the original stock one, which was SameBike L026. And on the L026, I upgraded lots of things, but I didn't do full hydraulic brakes like I have this one. And I did not buy a new battery, again, like I have this one. The front forks is probably on my next list. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I probably will do that. I'm going to do that. But yeah, not as of right now. I'm not in a rush. My biggest thing was to get more battery. So instead of me always pedaling, if I want to be lazy a little bit, I can use the throttle only. But we've done the speed hack and all the upgrades and all that kind of stuff, you know. We do have a playlist of e-bikes and electric scooters, or electric scooters and e-bikes. You could always check out in our playlist there. Leave all your comments below, because I do try my best to respond to every comment. And don't forget to drop a like on the video. Subscribe so you don't miss out on how much range we're going to get on this e-bike nylon battery. I'm going to be quiet, see if you can hear the sound of this. It's not that loud. That's pretty decent. On that note, that's going to be it for this one. Hope you guys did enjoy it. We catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I am out.